Adding, deleting listing methods on Data2 with ADO.NET. SQL command object. It takes TSQL expression as text as the first parameter. It takes connection object as second parameter. You can see an example on this slide. Data listing, connection-oriented architecture. You can see examples of trigger event page load event, creating a new connection object with string from web config, sequential access. Data reader object is an example of using sequential access or access to all data at the same time as connection oriented. The ready grid view control was connected with the bind method. The data was taken into the list box with the read method, respectively. Connection opened and closed. Data listing, connectionless oriented architecture. Data adapter automatically turns the connection on and off. After the data are filled in the data table, they can be processed independently from the database. In the front end, on the other hand, this data table can be viewed on a form element capable of displaying data. For example, list view, connecting to HTML elements with eval and front end. Adding data. You can see steps of code that how data can be added. Data update chapter 1. First of all, an event on the server side must be triggered from the client side for the data update process, and the parameters and data for the data to be updated must be sent from the client to the server side. For these operations, ready-made data tools of ASP.NET can be used as well as with the help of standard tools. Data update chapter 2. Command is executed with execute non-query method. Returns int, and the returned value is stored in Boolean value for control purposes. Row delete method and arguments of grid view can be controlled on the code side.